That's the big thing. You got to watch the water. Excess water is a killer of quality concrete. They don't understand why water is so bad, but you know, a cubic yard of concrete, 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet. We all know like a gallon jug. Well, just imagine that 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet, and now you take that gallon of water and you put it inside there. Well, that's gonna thin it out. It's not gonna be as dense. It's not gonna be as coarse, and that's why it weakens the concrete. You know, you have the water that's needed to hydrate the concrete, and then where you get into the trouble is the excess water, the water of ease that makes it easier and stuff. You know, when you get into that, they got to remember every gallon you add, 1 gallon per yard, that drops the PSI, the comprehensive strength, 100 PSI for every gallon. So if you had 3,000 PSI concrete, for each additional gallon that you really didn't need, 3-4 gallons, you've lost 300-400 pounds in your PSI. And then after the first winter, for the freeze and thaw, we hate it because here, a contractor who may have poured it too wet or whatever, and I hate that every spring where they come in and, hey, I got a driveway that, that went bad over here. Go over there and see what's wrong, but don't tell them it's my fault. I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Tell them it's mine?